Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammed Ishan from Z4 Tech. Today I will share you some tips of Android, that how to see all the apps you have ever downloaded on your Android devices in 4 simple steps. So, what are these steps? Let's check it out. Here is how to see all the apps you have ever downloaded on your Android devices in 4 simple steps. It is easy to see all the apps you have downloaded on Android phone. You can see all the apps you have ever downloaded on your Android phone by opening the My Apps and Game section in your Google Play Store. The apps you have downloaded are divided into 2 sections: Install, all the apps currently installed on your phone, and Library, all the apps that aren't currently installed. Even if you uninstall an app from your Android phone, it's never lost. You can always reinstall again later for free, because the Google Play Store remembers your entire purchase history. If you uninstall an app, maybe to free up space of your phone, or because you do not think you would use it again, it is easy to find it in your app library and reinstall it. How to see all the apps you have ever downloaded on Android phone? First, start the Play Store app. Second, tap the 3 horizontal line at the top right of the screen, and then in the menu and tap My Apps and Games. Here you have 2 options. Third, at the top of the screen, tap Install. As the name suggests, this is the list of all apps that are currently installed on this phone. Fourth, at the top of the screen, tap Library. This is the list of all apps, both free and paid, that you have ever downloaded from the Google Play Store on any phone that's associated with your Google account, which aren't currently installed on this phone. Here you have 2 more options. To reinstall an app on this phone, tap Install. You can also permanently remove app from your account. To do this, tap the X to the right of the Install button. So, this is the very easy tips that how to find your app which you remove or accidentally deleted or accidentally uninstalled from the Android devices. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates, more tips and tricks, and more rumors and concept leaks and about technical news and reviews are coming soon. Stay tuned and peace.